This is me, Pickbaby, as you know me. Now Woody has sent me some pics that my dad knows the name of.
Woody on our UK Lock Sport forum makes fantastic custom pics, and he sent me an email last week to ask if he could make some custom pics for Pickbaby. So I said he would really like that, and the package came through yesterday morning, so Pickbaby is going to open it now for you.
Now as you say, I'm going to do it quite gentle, but you don't know how long the case is, if it is a case. So
They might be in a box, darling, like I say.
Oh, this is a liver. Oh, it's getting a bit squashed, Dad.
Right, you might need to...
It's because it's attached to something inside.
Let's have a look.
Oh no, I've
You got it?
I think. Kind of. Come on, guys.
That's...
And there's something else in there. Oh!
What is it? From Woody. Hold it up to the camera, let's have a look at that. Fantastic, Woody.
I like
And a nice, nice smiley face.
I might take one of those things and hang it up when I finish the video.
You can put it on the fridge with your other postcards and things. Right.
Yeah, that's the tricky part. Aha. How am I going to cut this, Dad? Aha.
Have you got it?
No, a little bit. Aha. Should I turn that now? Oh, it says something here. Me, 1 3. We're after 2. This is...
Right, turn it round. That's it, you can lift the top off now, I think. Oh, look at that. Let me just point this down there.
That's it.
That is very professional. Outstanding. Oh, wow. Just be careful with that, darling. That's just what is packaged in.
Yeah, I just
pop that to one side.
Yeah. Whoa.
Well, we don't want to take those out of there now,
I know.
because it's going to mean cutting things.
Yeah. Whoa.
Now, Woody, they are
amazing.
Absolutely outstanding.
And the
They're
double?
like mirrors. You can even see your face in those.
Can I? Really?
Yeah, have a look.
Oh yeah, I can. Well, guys, now that is what I call amazing.
So let's have a look what you've got on there. Double-ended picks.
Where?
They're double-ended.
Oh.
So what it's done is...
It's made double?
Yeah. So you can use each end. You got like a bow guitar.
A bow guitar?
Yeah, bow guitar. Like a rake pick. Short hook.
And that's a bit like a tension wrench.
Looks like a reacher.
It's a bit like a tension
half
wrench.
Diamond.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. They are absolutely beautiful, Woody.
And astonishing.
Well, astonishing as well.
Whatever that word means.
You can see the glistening there in the light. I'm moving this. Pickbaby can't see this because of the focus of the camera, but the pics are actually
amazing.
Glistening in the lights.
How can they listen if they haven't got ears?
Glisten.
Oh, I said listening.
Lighting up. They are outstanding, my friend. I can't stress that enough.
Yep.
Works of art, they really are, my friend.
And I made them stickers. Where do you get the stickers from?
I don't know, I suppose he'll tell us when we put the video up.
Yep, since I've asked.
So thank you so much, Woody.
Yep.
Outstanding. So guys, even though this is not a lock picking video,
it is stuff to do with lock
it
picking.
is, yeah, but it's not. We've not picked a lock, but we still need to say thanks for watching, happy picking,
and please keep it legal. Bye guys.
see you later.
Hope you like them.
Thank you, Woody, you're an absolute diamond. Bye.